some organic chicken broth from scratch. To start, I have my whole chicken. This is one whole chicken, as well as the back and breastbone of another. Being the Ghanaian that I am, I'm also going to be using some fresh ginger root, just a little bit, pretty much about this much in there. I'm also going to be using a garlic bulb, 2 large onions, some carrot, celery, sage, bay leaves, thyme, rosemary. These are all the fresh ingredients we are going to be using. Now let's start making our broth. So I've trimmed the roots of my onions. Just gonna cut it up. Leaving all the skins on. It's gonna give extra flavor. I've cleaned around the roots of my garlic as well. And now I'm just going to cut into it. This. There we go. And for my fresh ginger roots, I'm just going to slice it. You don't need ginger if you don't want the flavor in there, but it works beautifully with the chicken. Makes a beautiful flavor. I have 3 large carrots peeled. Now I'm just going to cut it up. I also have here 10 celery stalks. Just cut up into 2. So I have my chicken washed. I'll place that in my pot. I also have my chicken backbone as well as breastbone. Dump them in here as well. Now I'll add my celery, chopped carrots, my halved onions. I'm also going to add my ginger, garlic with all the skins on. I'll add the fresh parsley, sage, thyme, rosemary, bay leaves. I also have a tablespoon of black pepper. Now add some salt. I'm going to add some water. Now I'm just going to cover and bring to a boil. Check in on our broth. Just gorgeousness.
Gorgeousness? Is it God the Holy Spirit?
Everything giving what it's supposed to give. Onions soft.
It does smell good, but it doesn't look good. I give this 4-star rating.
Broth, beautifully done. Smells so good. I'm going to try to get the chicken out first. And this, not going waste, I'm going to use part of it to make my chicken noodle soup. Transfer it right here. And I'm going to fish out all the veggies and bones. Just transfer all that in here. I typically use my broth to make my jollof, to cook rice. It could be just white rice, but my children sometimes just like plain white rice without any sauce. So using the broth makes sure that they're getting a little bit more than just rice. In making my fried rice, I use chicken broth as well. You could use it to make your soups, like chicken noodle soup, which I will be making in the next video, and so many things that you just need a little bit of something extra in it. This is very healthy. You know the exact ingredients in it, and so for me, that just makes everything so much better. I normally just transfer them into these glass jars, cover, and freeze. That way, every time I bring it out, it is very fresh. I do not really can it, just freeze them and use them as needed. So I know you do notice that my broth hasn't cooled completely, but then they are going in these glass jars, and I'm going to wait until it cools completely before I go ahead and freeze them. Depending on how soon you're going to use it, you can refrigerate some as well, but freezing it is what is going to make sure that it stays fresh. Chicken broth, perfectly made. I'm just going to let it cool off. I'll cover and refrigerate or freeze as needed. So I did not really throw away the bones and the rest of the ingredients that I used. So I actually added some more celery, parsley, ginger, and boiled it. And now you can see that these ingredients have given me their very best. So I still have all this good broth that I'm going to strain. So this is more like chicken bone broth at this point. It has more bone than the meat, so it's not stock. The difference between stock and broth is stock is with meat and broth is with bone. So we're going to strain this and see how much more we got. Getting my money's worth and all the goodness that comes with this is what we're talking about. Let's strain this as well. Now we know we've really exhausted our money. Just say yeka. And just look at that. Now we have an extra almost 10 cups of broth. This is something that we would have considered scrap and just discarded. But now we have all this goodness. Smells amazing, tastes delicious. So good. I'm just going to transfer it into jars as well. And this is going to be perfect in making any dish. Good for your baby's food as well. You really need to try this. Once your stock is refrigerated, it is easy for you to just get the fat off the top once it settles. So after being chilled, I'm just going to go ahead and lift it. Just like that. And so this is all the fat that I've lifted from this bottle. So this is our stock. And you could just go ahead and use it as it is or warm it depending on what you want to use it for. You definitely need to make this. Thanks so much for watching. Kindly give me a thumbs up and share. And until I come your way next time with something delicious, be loving, be kind, be happy.